There's really nothing very interesting about travel laundry, except of course when you can save some money doing it. Recently on my Trans-Pacific sailing on the Celebrity Eclipse, from Honolulu, Hawaii to Sydney, Australia, I had the opportunity to get some of my clothes washed. On a 20-something day cruise, it's almost a necessity. Standard laundry, dry cleaning, and pressing are all available on Celebrity ships. There are no self-service options. In regard to basic laundry, let's talk about a few sample prices. Pants, $6, shorts, $5, a swimsuit for $3.50, and socks, $2.50 a pair. Fortunately, on most Celebrity cruises, about halfway through the cruise, you'll be offered a laundry deal to fill the bag for a fixed price. On this cruise, the fixed price was around $50. The bag is pretty small. Laundry hack? It's about getting as much laundry as you can into that tiny fixed price bag. Lay your clothes out on top of each other, layering as you go. You can just keep on stacking. Make sure that you're keeping a tally on your laundry ticket as you go of the items that you're putting into your laundry pile. It helps you make sure that you get all of your items back, and it is a requirement of the laundry service. And now, just tightly roll your laundry and insert it into the bag. I had quite a bit of laundry in that pile. Some was from my stay on Maui for about 3 or 4 days before I got on the ship in Honolulu, and this was probably about a week and a half into the cruise. On my laundry ticket, for the purposes of this video, I did tally up what my cost would have been if I had paid the regular prices. It came to around $91, so about a $40 savings with the coupon. Make sure the coupon and the laundry ticket are filled out and placed in the bag. You'll find that when your laundry is returned, it might be in more than one bag. It will be folded. It's really important to take the finished laundry out of the bag on the day you get it back, especially in places with high humidity, since the laundry really never gets 100% dry. As you put your laundry away, check off on your tally sheet that everything was returned. Also be on the lookout for these pesky, pokey, horrific little laundry tags. They are absolutely no fun to find later on when you're wearing your shirt. My laundry came back very clean, in good condition, and folded very neatly. I will be using the service again.